In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Dasher Direct virtual card. Now, this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to start using the Dasher Direct virtual card, you must first have the Dasher Direct app and you must have it updated to the newest version. From there, once you are signed into your account, you should be able to go to the bottom right corner of the app and look for this More tab, and we're just going to click on this. From there, we can see a whole bunch of different options relating to our account. However, we want to look for the option that says Accounting Card, and we can go down to the third option, which actually says Manage Card. So from here, if you've already activated your card and received your physical card in the mail, then your card status will say active, and you will not be able to view your Dasher Direct virtual card details. However, if you do need to access your details, you can look at the physical card that Doordash has sent you. Now, if you haven't yet activated it, you should be able to click View Virtual Card, and that will actually allow you to see your virtual card details. However, if you've recently set this up, then you might get this error message that tells you that you can't view the card. If this does happen, what I'd recommend you do is first activate your physical card by clicking this top button here. And from there, you can go through the process of ordering and activating your physical card so that you can use it for in-store purchases and a lot more. So once you've done that and you've waited a bit more time, you will then be able to click View Virtual Card and you'll be able to view your virtual card details while your physical card gets sent out to you. So this will mean we're still able to use our virtual card even though the physical one has not yet arrived. From there, you can use your Dasher Direct virtual card just like how you would with any other card. However, unless you add the virtual card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, then you will not be able to pay for in-store purchases until your physical card has arrived. However, you can still pay for online purchases with your Dasher Direct virtual card by checking the details in the app and then using those details on a website which you are trying to purchase from. So while the Dasher Direct card functions like a regular debit card online, using it physically in stores will have some restrictions. For example, not all stores accept debit cards, so you want to look out for a Visa debit card logo to confirm that they will accept your Dasher Direct card. So this has been my video showing you how to use a Dasher Direct virtual card. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you know how to find your Dasher Direct card details, you know how to activate your Dasher Direct card so that you can use it for in-store purchases, and you should also now know how to use your Dasher Direct virtual card for any online purchases. So that's how you can use your Dasher Direct virtual card. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.